Rising costs of insurance. Everybody has seen a rising cost in insurance. You guys have been around, probably if you haven't had any claims, you're going up anywhere from 10 to that 20% mark every year for nothing. You're like, I didn't even have a claim. Why is my insurance rising? We work with a few of the big insurance companies, and I kind of talk to them and we work with them, and I brought up what are the top 3 causes in rising insurance for fleet. Now this is for commercial, regular fleet, whether you have 2 or 3 cars or trucks or all the way up to great big lowboys. And this is some of the information that they had told me. The other thing is, what are the top 3 causes in rising insurance for commercial trucking? Because commercial trucking, we have a big DOT number on the side of us, and they hold us even to a higher standard because of the federal regulations. And then the last one is, what are the top 3 ways a company can maintain their rising cost in insurance? I will tell you now, and I'll stand behind this, and anybody says different, that if somebody comes to you from a third party, safety, or any type of company, and they say, do you have rising insurance? I will get your insurance rates lowered. I'm going to tell you there's no way that they're going to get your insurance rates lowered. They're just not. No different than on your own personal insurance, okay? But what we can do is, can we maintain the rising costs, and are there things that we can do and put in place in different groups in the insurance? I was talking to Troy earlier before the meeting of belonging to a captive. Now, belonging to a captive, I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. That's for larger companies because you have to actually almost buy into that, and it's a group of big companies. But still on the small side, if we go to our insurance company and say, what can we do to maintain those rates? There are some things that we can point out that we can help you, and it's everything from telematics systems to driver training to our qualifications on what we have in place and what we're going to allow within our company.